Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corners. Katrina here. I have one of my box items here for Valentine's Day, and what I put in here was one of my cute little bears who's holding the 24 karat gold eye pads. I also put the body butter in there with the matching shower gel, a loafer, and a pair of fluffy Snuggadoodle socks, as well as some body mist. I used a candy box to back these items and hold them in place, and this was one of the bigger boxes of candy, the turtles. Now I rearranged this around just a little bit to divide some of the colors up, and I really like the way that this turned out. So I hope you enjoyed this simple made box gift item. And thank you for tuning in to the Crafty Corner, where you are crafting with Katrina. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.